Transport aircraft. Myanmar's transport aircraft fleet encompasses various models. Six French made a TR-42 and a TR-72. Six Chinese made Shaanxi Y-8. Seven Chinese made Harbin Y-12. Two Netherlands made Fokker 70. One Netherlands made Fokker F-27. Five UK made Britain Norman BN2. Seven US made Beechcraft 1900. Five Switzerland made Pilatus PC-6. It is reported that two Fokker 70s were procured in 2017 for the personal VIP transport of Senior General Min Aung Hlaing only. The rest of the top military generals are only allowed to use ATR aircraft. These two Fokker 70s are kept at the Myanmar Air Force headquarters in Naypyidaw. Originally, former Senior General Dan Shui contracted to buy an Antonov AN-148-100 from Russia for the newly appointed President Thein Sein in 2011. It was an apparent imitation of the United States' use of Air Force One for the president's official travels. However, it crashed during a demonstration flight in the village of Gorbuzovo Alexievskogo on March 5, 2011. All six occupants perished in the crash, including two believed to be Myanmar Air Force pilots. After Min Aung Hlaing became the senior general, the head of the Myanmar military, he bought two used Dutch-made Fokker 70s through Italy and Singapore for himself. It is reported that the two Fokker 70s were named Air Force 002 and Air Force 003. There was no designated Air Force One. In the United States, Air Force 2 is reserved for the Vice President. It appears that Min Aung Hlaing believed that his position as the Senior General was equivalent to that of the Vice President. Overall, the Myanmar Air Force operates around 40 transport aircraft. However, some incidents have occurred involving these aircraft. In 2017, a Chinese-made Y-8-200 tactical military transport aircraft crashed in the Andaman Sea, killing all 122 people on board. This incident garnered sympathy even from NLD supporters at that time on social media. On June 11, 2021, a Beechcraft 1900 crashed during its landing approach to Pine U Luan's airport, resulting in the deaths of 12 people, including a senior Buddhist monk from Zay Kon Monastery in Payan Mana. In January 2024, a Myanmar Air Force Y-8 overshot its landing during a mission to evacuate troops from Mizoram, India. There were no fatalities, but the aircraft sustained significant damage. The operational transport aircraft of the Myanmar Air Force has considerably shrunk over the past few years. It is believed that due to economic sanctions following the military coup, the Myanmar Military Council has encountered difficulties in purchasing spare parts for the maintenance of the aircraft.